Guys, how you going? I'm Matty Burner. Welcome to another episode of my YouTube channel, Burner Productions. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new BOSE QC35 version 2 noise cancelling headphones. We'll cut now to my new intro. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, so guys, QC35s version 2, here they are. I'll just go quickly through the reason why I bought these. I picked them up for $412 at Apollo Hi-Fi in Marrickville. I looked for them online, they seemed to be the cheapest there was. I did have an old version of QC25s and they were awesome. I've just decided to go the upgrade and I'm doing a bit of traveling. We're off to Bali this week, so that should be pretty exciting. Look forward to some of the footage coming out of that. So we'll get on with it because I'm sure you want to see these as much as I do. I love new shit. Love it. Love it. Anyway, so I'll get these bad boys open and we'll get into them and see what's in the box. What do you reckon? Oh. Oh. Here we are with a nice, great packaging, as you'd expect from BOSE. I'll give you a bit of a look at this. After I've opened it all, we'll go into a bit of B-roll. How does that sound? Standard black case, quite nice. Right, so it's got the cord in there. Again, another cord, nicely wrapped in there. And then they're sitting there nicely like that, as you can see. Smell that. Oh my God. The difference I noticed straight away is the QC25s. They had a aircraft plug that came with them and a battery compartment holder. In here, I suppose you've got some room there for that. But they fit nicely. These are the wireless ones. They're supposed to have Google Assistance and all that in there. So, further ado, let's see some B-roll. Oh, there you go, folks. Here it is. QC35 version 2 BOSE noise cancelling headphones. I like to keep it short and sweet. Here's the other lead that we get. This is to charge the headphones as well. You get your standard 3.5mm audio jack lead, just in case you don't want to go Bluetooth. So hit that like button down the bottom, subscribe if you'd like to. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Matty B, Burner Productions, thanks.